G'day guys. In today's video I've been trying to clone an older iMac. I forgot the model, particular model of this one. Let me go over here. We're a 2017 model, 21.5 inch screen, 8 gig of RAM, and currently the 1TB drive in here seems to be going quite piss poor. As we can see here, we're running Ventura 13.1, and typically I would use Carbon or CCC Carbon Copy Cloner to do the transfer. Currently I'm using 16.1.3, and I've tried to clone it just earlier. It took about 6-7 hours with a failing drive to a Crucial MX500, and swapped the drive in, wouldn't boot. I've discovered with the newer versions, or newer Mac OS, we need to, when we tell it to do the backup, we need to go to the destination drive and enable the Legacy Bootable Copy Assistant. Where is it? Bootable system clone uses Apple's proprietary APFK. Allow it to erase the 1TB, which I've got, which is now empty. I click on here. Where are we? So I go allow, and now I'm going to go start. Now hopefully after this period of time it will copy more than just the raw data. Typically if you're copying the raw data you can put the new drive in, or a different drive, install the macOS and then use the migration tool to restore from your external backup. But I want the operating system as well, I just want the whole thing. So that looks like what we're going to have to do in the future to clone the whole Mac OS, or at least for now. Anyway, just remember, right click on your destination, enable the legacy boot, and hopefully from there you have happy days. Anyway, I'm going to catch you later. Bye.